Hello everybody, welcome to Yungchief channel. So today we'll be talking about Keybase, and just in case you're not aware, there's an ongoing stellar airdrop on Keybase. So for the first time, I confirmed mine some minutes ago. So practically, I'm talking to you with proof that the thing is working, and you need to participate in it also if you want to get some free money on the blockchain. That's cryptocurrency, just in case you are not aware of what cryptocurrency is. So right now, I sold mine some hours ago though, so I see it as subscription money for you to be able to use it and subscribe, then continue whatever research you're making on the blockchain, explore the blockchain, get to know the blockchain, and embrace the blockchain. So it's a very good project they decided to carry out through that stellar airdrop on Keybase. So right now, I'm going to guide you through the process on how you can register and do all your things on Keybase and participate. So please don't mind the notification getting from WhatsApp. Okay, I could not stop that. So alright, so this is my Keybase, and this is how it looks like on Play Store. So if you have an app store, you can also download it. So but on Play Store, Google Play Store, so this is how it looks like, and I just downloaded mine right now. So because I'm trying to register for someone else, so let's get it. So but one thing you should know, if you are lucky enough and you are qualified, you get with it. So not everybody are really that lucky, because they stated some months ago about that somebody tried to cheat the system from different countries. So some countries are actually restricted from partaking in this free airdrop. Alright, so let's go. So you click on open, you open the Keybase. Alright, so it's going to take a little bit of time to create an account. So like I said, I'm creating for a friend. So, and I just want to use our own accounts to show it to everybody how it's being done. You get me? So name is Jesse. Okay, so name is already taken. So let me go for our other name, Abigail. Okay, name is taken. Abigail 1. Still taken. You can see there are a lot of people here already. So Abigail 1, which is 11. Okay. So right now they said Android phone. Okay, you go through it. I click on continue. Sorry, the whole process is kind of slow due to network issue here in Nigeria, so just bear with me. So then you need to select the country that you're from. So right here I'm using Nigeria. Yeah, Nigeria blood. Here's Nigeria. Alright, so here you go. Done. Then imputing a number. That's the number. I got it copied already because I told you it's not my account, so I got everything copied. So click on continue. So you are supposed to send an SMS. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so I think the SMS is here. So 726714. So that's it. 726714. So yep, I'm in. And you can see at the edge of this thing, you say starting from September 9, Keybase will divide 100 million XLM Stellar among qualified Keybase every month. So I think this is going to last for like a year or two. So just imagine that you are getting subscription money because I think the minimum you can get right now is about $25, which is about maybe 7,000 or 8,000 naira, depending on the person who is buying from you, the exchange rate. But it's going to be less than that though, because the person still needs to resell again. So just like you're getting free subscription money, okay, let you assume you're getting like 5k in a month. That's enough to take care of your subscription palaver now, right? To do other things you need to do online. So alright, so let's go. So, but now there are different processes. The first thing you need to do, you need to go through, because if I click on the airdrop, let me just guide you through the process. Then I click on wallet. I clicked on join airdrop then before I clicked on wallet. Then this you have to load, it's counting. Then clicked on yes, I agree. Okay, let's go. Then see if you qualify. Then I'm trying to see if I qualify. Okay, my number is approved. I have a beautiful smile. Then the only thing missing here, which is X, is 3 active device or paper key. You can add more than from device tab. Okay, I need to add 3 device to it for security reasons. So I need to go back. So mind you need to start clicking on this different menu to understand what it means, so you can explore the Keybase, and they have a lot of amazing features here. So but right now I'm clicking on this very last one, which takes me to where I can see gate, device, wallet. So I'm clicking on device right now to add device. So I'm clicking on add paper device. So I'll click on create a paper key, because I might lose this phone anytime soon, and I don't have the person doesn't have a desktop, and the person might lose this phone. So just in case you lose your phone, for you to be security conscious, if you create a paper key, so you can be able to write it somewhere that you can save. People hardly steal books these days now, but it's very much easier to steal phone. So just in case, and also you can also save it on your email for security purpose, just in case everything get lost. So right here, so this is the first key generated. So I'm going to click yes, I wrote it. You need to write all these things down. So click on done, right? So but the trick here is that since you don't have 2 phones, or maybe you might lose this phone, and you don't have a desktop, so and you say you need 3 devices, which means you need to click on add device again, then click on the paper type 3 different times, so that it will make it 3 times. So that's what I'm going to do right now. All right, let's go. Network, where are you at? Okay, yes, I wrote this. This is the second one. So they said 3, right? So this is the last one now I'm going to click on, and I'm still clicking on the create a paper type, and I gave you the reason why I'm doing that. All right, let's go, please. Okay, so this is the last one. So already now I've clicked on the 3 different types, 3 different things. So I need to go back. So I'm going back now. So I need to click on this icon, the first menu on down by your left. So now I'm clicking on the join again. Let me see, then see if you are qualified. Let me see if the 3 will tick. Okay, you see that 3 active device now, or paper key. Now you can see now it's now having a green flash right there on it. So become a lucky airdrop. Let's see if you can see at the top like new device added, stuff like that. So let's see if he's lucky enough, if this person is lucky enough. So sorry, you're not qualified. But mind you, it doesn't happen in all scenarios like this. So this is the last process. So if you're lucky enough and you're qualified, you're able to receive it. All right, so good luck as you try this out, and it's free money, and if you go through all these tricks, so you get yourself there. So good luck to you, and if you have further questions, you can drop it on my vlog. Then, and also don't forget to subscribe. So subscribe and click on the alert button so that you can be getting notification whenever I make a video. So it's all about making money, right? So we are in the process of it. So, and I'm going to get it through. All right, see you guys next time. This is Yungchief. Bye.